Mmuso wa Gauteng o motjheng wa twantsho ya tlhokeho ya mesebetsi ka hara Profensi.
We have established the Provincial War Room, which brings together government and industry leaders in Gauteng province to drive economic recovery, unlock growth in every sector, and create sustainable jobs, as well as supporting the growth of SMMEs.
Mekga ya dipolitiki e na le maikutlo a fapaneng ka puo ya tonakgolo Makhura.
Is the question of accountability. We think that the Premier was able to blow by blow tell us what was the commitment in the last state of the address and how far are they in terms of progress.
Little implementation, very little to report on what has actually been done. This is very much some of the same, very disappointing.
We should have today told the people of Gauteng and say, no, I'm removing MEC Tasnim Mutara, then I'm putting so and so, to show that is concerned about the department.
There was a mismatch because I did not see any emergency measures put in place to deal with the new pandemic, which is unemployment of young people.
We have a strong belief that DID must be disbanded, that in various departments, like education for instance, they must be able to deal with their own infrastructure needs, and that will be more effective.
There's talk about, eradicating the department. But you can't really do that. The department's got to deliver services. So you need to look at the leadership, and you need to look at the senior leadership in the department itself to find out where the fault is lying.
Mmuso wa Profensi o thakgotse lenaneo la ho lekola botjha dikontraka tsa di-PPE tsa boleng ba diranta tse fetang dimilione tse 10.